The second lesson in Unit 2 is Translations and Reflections on the Coordinate Plane. You will need a hard copy of the student pages for this lesson. I recommend colored pencils and a ruler or a straight edge because you will be drawing line segments on the coordinate plane. In this lesson, students are going to be transforming a figure on the coordinate plane through a series of math operations on the ordered pairs. So these transformations will be translations and reflections. However, when students go back and make their observations, they might see that through a series of transformations, they actually have rotated the figure, but they're not doing that explicitly. So the standard that this lesson addresses is using coordinates to describe the effect of transformations. Now, the transformations that this lesson addresses are translations and reflections. However, as I addressed, you might get some rotations in there. All right, so one of the things that you're going to do, and it's your choice, is the pictures and transformations coordinate plane is, when it's given to you, it's blank, and the students have the option of drawing their own figure on this. I have found, however, that having a class full of 30 students draw different pictures is very challenging to try to figure out who's doing what and where they went right or where they went wrong. So in my class, I use the picture that's on the cover sheet of the NIMSY lesson, and I actually have edited that sheet to add the picture of the house in quadrant 1. So I've already drawn the first picture. And the first thing the students have to do, and it's in the directions on this page, is record the ordered pairs in column 1 and 2. So many times my students don't read the directions and they forget to do that. So you will want to remind them, record those in columns 1 and 2. The other thing is, I recommend using colored pencils as you make your transformations, not only in the figures on this coordinate plane, but when you're recording the ordered pairs. It just makes it easier to make those observations. This lesson is 2 days long. Day 1 is questions 1 through 7, and most of my class is challenged to get that done in time. Day 2, there's a question 8 where the students go through this lesson again, only they're coming up with their own pictures and they're making those observations again, and they're working in bigger groups. When I assign this in my class, I normally do this as a partner exercise. So what I would like you to do is complete questions 1 through 7, and then you're going to submit your completed work to Canvas. Go ahead and take a picture of it, upload the picture, and I will be happy. Thank you.